Alright guys, so I'm going to show the factory reset your Pulse Explorer earbuds. Now it's pretty simple, so first just open the case. Then just remove an earbud. Just make sure it connects, then go to your settings. Then go down to sound, audio output, and output device. You should see it on the list here. Now you're going to next put the earbud back in. Just leave it open. Now go over to your link adapter. For mine it's on the back. Now this is actually a button. So you're going to push towards your PS5. And you're going to hold for about 30 seconds. Once it's been over 30 seconds, you can let go. Now if you close the case, then reopen and remove a bud, you'll see it's no longer going to reconnect. And yeah, just remove the USB adapter. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.